Welcome back. Lagos and Ogun states have launched one of the most aggressive security offensives in recent times, sending a strong warning to kidnappers, armed robbers, and violent criminals gangs operating across the southwest. In a major breakthrough under Operation Kosaye, security operatives have arrested 88 suspected criminals, rescued 5 kidnapped victims alive, recovered a large cache of weapons and ammunition, and killed 4 suspected criminals during an exchange of gunfire. The operation has been described by authorities as one of the largest coordinated security crackdowns targeting organized criminal networks operating between Lagos and Ogun states. According to the Lagos state government, Operation Kosaye was specifically designed to deny criminal gangs any safe haven within the southwest. The name Kosaye translates to no space for criminals, and officials insist that security agencies are determined to make that message a reality. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu commended the Nigerian police force and other security agencies for what he described as an outstanding operation that has significantly disrupted criminal activities within the region. He praised the officers for their professionalism and sacrifice, assuring Lagos residents that this administration remains committed to supporting every effort aimed at protecting lives and property. According to the governor, the fight against crime requires continuous cooperation between governments, security agencies, and ordinary citizens. He stated that Lagos will continue working closely with the police and other law enforcement agencies to ensure that both residents and visitors can live without fear. Governor Sanwo-Olu also applauded the Inspector General of Police, Tunji Diso, for directing the security operation and acknowledged the strong collaboration between Lagos and Ogun states. He described the joint operation as a model of how neighboring states should cooperate in confronting criminals who often exploit state boundaries to evade arrest. Authorities disclosed that the operation has already produced remarkable results. A total of 88 suspects believed to be connected to kidnapping, armed robbery, and other violent crimes are currently in police custody. Investigators are now questioning the suspects as part of ongoing efforts to identify additional members of the criminal syndicates. Police also confirmed the successful rescue of 5 kidnapped victims during the operation. Although authorities did not disclose the identities of the victims or the exact circumstances surrounding their rescue, officials described the developments as another major victory against kidnapping gangs terrorizing communities across the southwest. The operation also resulted in the recovery of several dangerous weapons and ammunition believed to have been used by criminal groups. Security agencies say the recovered firearms will assist investigators in tracing criminal networks responsible for various attacks. During one of the operations, security personnel reportedly engaged suspected criminals in a face-gun battle. According to officials, the suspect allegedly opened fire when confronted by police operatives. Security forces responded, resulting in the death of 4 suspected criminals, while others managed to escape into nearby forest. Police says efforts are already underway to track down the fleeing gang members. One of the major targets of Operation Kosaye is a forest corridor stretching between Lagos and Ogun states. Authorities revealed that security operatives are conducting extensive search operations around the J3 and J4 axis of Obere in Ogun State. Investigators believe many kidnapping gangs have been using the forest boundary between both states as escape routes after carrying out attacks. Special tactical teams, intelligence officers, and other security personnel have now intensified surveillance across the area in an effort to flush out every remaining criminal hideout. Officials insist the operation will continue until the forests are completely cleared of criminal elements. The Lagos state government emphasized that Operation Kosaye is not a one-time exercise. Instead, it represents a sustained security campaign that combines intelligence gathering, surveillance, rapid response operations, and interstate cooperation. Authorities believe this strategy will significantly reduce kidnapping, armed robbery, and other violent crimes affecting residents. Governor Sanwo-Olu also appealed to members of the public to play an active role in supporting security agencies. He urged residents to report suspicious movements, criminal hideouts, and unusual activities that could assist ongoing investigations. According to the governor, timely information from members of the public remains one of the most effective weapons against organized crime. He also pledged continuous support for law enforcement agencies through the Lagos State Security Trust Fund. The governor explained that the state government remains committed to providing the equipment, logistics, and welfare needed to strengthen police operations. Security analysts have repeatedly stressed that intelligence-led policing is far from effective than reactive operations carried out after crimes have already occurred. Authorities say Operation Kosaye reflects this modern approach by targeting criminal networks before they can strike again. The operation also sends a strong warning to kidnappers and other violent criminals who believe they can hide within forests or exploit state boundaries to escape justice. For residents of Lagos and Ogun, the message from the security agencies is clear. There will be no safe haven for criminal gangs, with dozens of suspects already arrested, weapons recovered, kidnapped victims rescued, and security operations continuing across the region. Authorities believe the pressure on organized criminal groups is only beginning. Police assured the public that the investigation remains ongoing and that additional arrests are expected as Operation Kosaye expands. The hunt for kidnappers and violent criminals across Lagos and Ogun is far from over. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more news reports. I'm Chidera Isom. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next reports.